when the European Parliament agreed new bank capital rules, ECR MEPs fought to ensure that some countries could put in place even stronger rules aimed at ensuring taxpayers never have to bail out European banks again. The Capital Requirements Directive sets out the global standards that banks must follow in the amount of capital that they keep available. In light of the banking crisis, these rules had to be revised. However, the initial EU proposal would not have allowed national governments to place stricter rules on their own banks. As well as allowing countries to go further, ECR MEPs also ensured the directive would allow countries to hedge their commercial risks. And this was crucial to ensure pension funds and savers were not adversely affected. Before the crisis, the capital held by banks to safeguard against adverse circumstances was insufficient and led to taxpayers having to step in. We're trying to make sure this never has to happen again, and so the ECR was successful in making sure that we both protected the banks and protected people from the banks.